Really, it's a wonderful trick. That how to fix bike side mirror. My bike side mirror holder was worn out and loose. Buying a new one was expensive and not easily available. I found a simple way to fix it at home. I used a small steel piece, inserted it inside the holder to tighten the grip. The mirror became tight and steady like new. No need for welding, glue or mechanical help. This Jugaad saved both time and money. It is a perfect solution for anyone facing the same issue. Watch the full video for step-by-step guide.